I hope that this adventure is going to be as fun as it sounds. Hey, if not, I got a full tank of gas. We just keep driving around the forest until somebody finds us and tells us which way to go. But yeah, guys, we're in for an adventure today. So smash subscribes, thumbs up, right up YouTube's you know what. Yeah, comment and tell me how lost you think I'm gonna get. All right, guys, let's have some fun. Oh, good morning, guys. Hi, I'm Sean. I'm a Wandering Vagabond. And we are somewhere in Oregon. I'm on BLM land. There's the BLM road. Holding my coffee or else, you know. Outside of the Gifford-Pinchot National Forest and also outside of the Elliott State Forest. I don't know where I am, truthfully. I don't. I had a plan when I got here. I was chasing Waterfall. And GPS stopped working correctly. Google Maps stopped. It showed me the end of a road, which the road kept going. I have zero service. All I really have is the directions that somebody wrote on a blog years back. Truthfully, those directions have worked out. Me following Google Maps didn't work. Me following my own maps didn't work. Me following this person's blog has worked. So rather than backtrack 20 miles and then drive, back down to Southern Oregon, I'm going to continue following this path and following this person's directions, and we're going to keep driving through this forest. Hopefully we end up on the other side. Hopefully we find some cool things along the way. I live out of that little Prius. Me and her travel down these types of roads to find these types of places. This is what I do. This is my life. It's an adventure. So yeah, guys, do all that stuff down there. Subscribing, thumbs up in, following, talking, chatting, comment. If there's a button down there, hit it. Let's see what happens today, guys. All right. And yeah, I did find a waterfall. It's actually really pretty. It was a really nice waterfall. I didn't like the dusty parking lot that I was gonna sleep in if I had to stay at the waterfall, though. So instead, I think this little scene is much better. All right. Well, I'm gonna admit that this is a little nuts and whatever, but here's the plan. We're gonna keep following these blog directions. Here's what Google shows me for roads on my map. Here's what Google shows me on my phone. I don't know. So here's the blog directions. Since I've already gone to the falls, I need to keep going straight from where I am instead of taking any turns, because I'm already done that part. I gotta continue to a T intersection in 2.8 miles and then take a right. Alright. Look at that little bridge. Alright, we're at a T junction. So, I already saw the beginning of the road if I take the left. So, take a right. And then in a half a mile. So then we got to go another half mile and take another left. There's our road to the left. Smith Ridge Road. The same road is straight, but it's horribly potholed. Then we got to go another 6 miles. This person's directions have been spot on for mileage, so I'm gonna track it, do the footstep, and we're following it. Picture opportunity. Then we go to another T and go right. We'll take this right, and in a half mile, right? Let's read our directions. What did I tell myself? Go 6 miles to another T and go right. We just went right, and in 1.2 miles of 4-way. My other directions say a half mile. Let's check. We'll reach a 4-way. Alright, so we got a mile to go to reach this 4-way then. Oh man. we're coming back to that, so I'm gonna. So I came up that road. Oh wow, this view. Hopefully, Sean, if you've done your job, they've seen the actual driving and they've seen your screenshots. Then in 1.2 miles, there's going to be a four-way. Don't go straight. Don't do it. Don't do it. Take the left fork and go down. Let's see what that does for gas mileage. Then we got to go another 2.5 miles. Or no, we're not doing 2.5. We're going 10.5 miles this time. There he is. You saw him. He's a trash truck. Oh man, we're gonna go 10.5 miles down this road, and then we're gonna get to this big, huge, old BLM concrete bridge over the Umpqua River. Like, it's definitely a big bridge over an Umpqua River. There's no way for me to take a picture. That's their picture. That's what we're looking for. And there's that big bridge over the Umpqua River. that leads us into the town of Tyee. I guess we can take a left and get to Highway 138, which will bring us back to the 5, which will bring us back to civilization. Okay, guys, I hope you had as much fun on that one as I did. Hit the buttons below, all of them. Just smash the hell out of them. Tell YouTube what's up. Yeah, till the next time. Man, I gotta find out what I'm doing today. This was the adventure today. All right, bye, guys.